welcome last year's winner of the Academy Award for Directing, Guillermo del Toro.
Thank you. Yesterday I had a fever. I was very sick, but I wouldn't miss this for the world. Here I am today because I feel a great kinship with this award and with the people it honors. No matter what name is in this envelope, and I had not peeked, obsessed of fulfillment, I want to be here at this very moment. Because each of the nominees in this category tonight has made passionate, personal films. And all of them will leave tonight with those films untouched. They will be the very same films they were when we all walked into the ceremony. And for that you can be very proud. Here are the nominees for achievement in directing.
Spike Lee, Black Klansman. Pavel Pawlikowski, Cold War. Yorgos Lanthimos, The Favorite. Alfonso Cuarón, Roma. Adam McKay, Vice.
And the Oscar goes to this name I can't pronounce. Alfonso Cuarón.
This is the fourth Oscar for Alfonso Cuarón, his second win tonight.
Thank you so much. Being here doesn't get old. I hope my Guillermo doesn't get old. I want to thank so many people. Obviously, Yalitza Aparicio and Marina Tavira. They are the film. They are truly the film. Amazing cast and crew. Gabriela Rodriguez and Nicolas Selin, my producers. David Lindy and Jonathan King at Participant Media. Ted Sarandos, Scott Stuber and Julie Fontaine at Netflix. Kelly Bush and Vivi Lerner at ID. And Guillermo del Toro, Alejandro González Iñárritu, and Henry Holmes. Now, I have to say, I'm going to get lost in a Bermuda Triangle here, so I better take my notes. Oh yeah, I want to thank the Academy for recognizing a film centered around an indigenous woman, one of the 70 million domestic workers in the world without work rights, a character that historically had been relegated in the background in cinema. As artists, our job is to look where others don't. This responsibility becomes much more important in times when we are being encouraged to look away. Muchas gracias al Ivo, muchas gracias a mi familia, muchas gracias México y sobre todo, muchas gracias Jonás y Olmo. Gracias, gracias, gracias.
Coming up next, the final award of the evening, as Julia Roberts presents the Academy Award for Best Picture. The Oscars on ABC.